Hi everyone, having trouble with your show modem flashing a green light and no internet? In this video, I'll show you quick and easy solutions to fix the problem and get you back online. Let's dive in. Show modem flashing green. A flashing green light on your show modem typically indicates that the modem is powered on but is having trouble establishing a stable internet connection. This can be due to loose or faulty cable connections, network outages, payment due, or issue with the modem itself. Fix 1. Power cycle the modem. Unplug the modem from the power source, wait for at least 5 minutes, then plug it back in. Disconnect the power cable from the modem. Leave it unplugged for at least 5 minutes. This allows the modem to fully reset. Plug the power cable back in and wait for the modem to reboot. This process may take a few minutes. After rebooting, observe if the light changes from orange to solid white. Fix 2. Check cable connections. Ensure all cables are securely connected and not damaged. Ensure that all cables connected to your modem, power, coaxial, Ethernet are securely attached and not damaged. Disconnect and reconnect each cable to ensure a proper connection. Look for any visible signs of wear or damage on the cables. If any cable appear damaged, consider replacing them. Check with alternate cable if you have any. Fix 3. Check for outages. Visit Show's website or contact support to check if there are any service outages in your area. Go to Show outage page. I provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Select your region to find the update. Fix 4. Check balance. Log into your Show account online or use the Show app to check your account balance. Ensure that there are no outstanding bills that could affect your service. Sign into My Show, select My Bill, and choose Pay My Bill. Fill out your payment details, select Submit. Fix 5. Contact support. If none of these steps resolve the issue, reach out to Show customer support for further assistance. There might be an issue with the main hub. You can contact customer support by calling 1-8847-22222, or you can also click chat with us icon to contact with live agent. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.